What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw baby Rosalina from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson along the right side of the page with the right eye. So we're going to start with the top edge. Starting on the inside, we're going to curve this up like a half oval, curve this around, and then down along the outside. Now let's connect the ends with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's push the iris and pupil towards the left side. So up here, we're going to draw an oval, going all the way around, and then just tuck that in towards the bottom. Now in the center, we draw a small oval for the pupil. Let's add a small circle along the top of the pupil for a highlight. And I'll fill the bottom in black. Now over on the top right side of the eye, let's add 3 lashes. Start with the first one. Bend this out and up. Step down, add another curl. Step down one more time and add one more. Now from the bottom edge of the eye, let's move towards the center of our page and draw a large circle for the pacifier. Go all the way around towards the bottom, round this out, come up on the right, and then back in towards the middle. Now let's trace this along the inside, just drawing a smaller circle. Let's bring the hair over on top of the left side. So we start directly above the right eye, start with a point. Let's curve this down, go all the way across, and then bend that down towards the bottom. Let's go back up to the top. We're going to round up the hair, go up, round this out, go all the way around the outside, come down, and then in towards a point. Let's go back to the beginning and draw the right side of the hair. Start up here, come down across the eyelashes, bend that out. Let's bring this up and then in. Let's go back up to the top of the head. We're going to curve this up, come all the way around the outside, come down and then out. And we're going to create another point by just tucking this in towards the side. Let's go all the way over to the left side. We're going to add 2 more points. Starting up here, bend this down and then up, come down and in towards the side. Let's add 1 more point. Coming down and out, come down and then in. Now let's draw the bottom half of the head. We're going to start on the outside of the eye, underneath the hair, curve this down, come around and in towards the right side of the pacifier. Line this up on the left side, going out, and just tuck that up underneath the hair. Let's add some hair coming down the side. Stepping over, come down, and then in. We're also going to see the edge of the ear. So we're going to step out again, curve the ear, coming down, and then in towards the side. And then along the top, we're going to add a fold. Let's go in this area and just add a little curve for the eyebrow. We're going to add another strand of hair coming down along the side. So let's start on the left. Bend this down and out. Let's go in behind the ear on the right. Do the same thing. Now I want to curve this down and pull that up underneath the head. Let's go all the way up to the top and draw on the crown. We're going to start right in the middle with a point. Come down and out toward the left. And then the right side. Go up and out. And then we're going to angle this down and then in on top of the head. Now we're going to add a gemstone in the center. Starting from the top of the head, let's draw an oval. Going up, back in. We're going to add another gem along the side. Goes out and then down on top of the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. Starting on the left side, we're going to curve this out and then down toward the left. Go over towards the right and do the same thing. Connect the hips with a curve, coming down and then up. Let's draw the bottom edge of the dress. Starting on the left, bend this out, round this out, and pull that in toward the center. Come down towards the right, pull this around, and then in towards the hip. Let's go back to the center. Step down, we're going to add 1 curve. Add another curve on either side, coming down and up. And then we'll do that 1 more time, and just tuck that in underneath. Now we're going to go back to the center. We're going to split the legs with a straight line coming down towards the heel. And then we'll curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side. From the center line, goes down and then up. Go back to the center, coming down and up towards the right. Then we're going to curve the top of the feet. From the left side, we're going to go up, come in, bend this down, aiming towards the heel. And then I'm just going to curl that up towards the inside of the legs. Now in between the dress and the feet, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down. Let's add some more detail to the feet. We're going to start with a thick sole. So I'm going to take this curve, step up, trace that across on both sides. And then along the top of the feet, we're going to draw a half oval, coming down and then up. Let's go back to the center of the body. We're going to draw a circle. And then we're going to draw a star going around that circle, starting from the very top, coming down toward the left and right side. Let's add a point going straight out, coming back down and in. And I add 2 points coming down toward the left, and up toward the middle, and one more on the right. Now let's draw on the arms. We're going to start halfway between the chin and the hip. Bend the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, draw a small half circle for the thumb, and close off the end with a bracket. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. We're going to start from the bottom of the thumb, coming down and up around that bracket. Let's move down along the side. We're going to add the second finger, going out and then in. Now the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, blend into the arm, going up, and just pull that in underneath the head. Let's finish off by adding the sleeve. From the top of the arm, that is up and then out. Do the same thing on the right. Now just below, we're going to add that same pattern with 3 curves. Coming around towards the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. And we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw baby Rosalina from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.